Hello and welcome back to Lightus TV. So today I will be reviewing as said before, the Dome's 0.7 mechanical pencil. The mechanism used in this pencil is very similar to the Lightus stripes which I had shown before. So in my last video I shared the review of this pencil Lightus stripes 0.7mm, and I said that I will be sharing the reviews of all my pencils in the increasing order of cost. So this was the least costliest pencil, which comes at 5 rupees, and next on the list is the Dome's 0.7 mechanical pencil. This comes at, though it comes at 10 rupees, it also comes with a tube of LEDs. So you get the entire thing for 10 rupees, so you can consider the pencil for 5 rupees and the LED tube at 5 rupees also. So these two pencils are very similar in mechanism, and in my last video I did not share the entire breakdown because I wasn't very comfortable reducing the pencil to such smaller pieces, because in case it might get damaged. But lately I have had an experience where I had to break down the entire pencil, not this one, it was a different pencil, but then I have gained quite a bit of exposure. I've already taken out this the nose cone. This is called the nose cone, and here you can see the LED is installed. The eraser, unlike this pencil, is not detachable in the Domes. Here I can take out the eraser, but in the Domes pencil it is fixed. I think they used glue or something, so I have to take the entire tube out. So this is the barrel. You can see the clamp and the clutch. So as I have said in my previous video also, that this pencil gets damaged very easily, because I had given one of these to my student, and another teacher of his did not know how to handle these pencils and she ended up damaging it. But in this one, the Domes, I can take out the tube. Now I had a different pencil where I could separate the barrel and this what do I call it? It's a spring protector, a spring cover. So I'm not being able to take this one out, and I don't want to take any risks because it might get damaged. The nose cone is transparent here, so it will be easy to see if there is any breakage in the lead. Both these pencils even look very similar, only this one has a rubber grip which does not come in this one, but of course this is 5 rupees and this does cost a little higher. This is 10 rupees. So in my last video I did not write and show you how the text looks, so I'm going to do that in this video. I'm taking a blank sheet and let me just show you how the text looks. This is very simple actually. This is what the Dome's text looks like. Now the Lightus. The second line I have wrote it with the Lightus pencil. The writing is not different at all because they are of the same shade, same shade and size, but then the feel is a little different because this comes with a grip. So that's it for this video. My next video will be, as I said, I'm doing it in the increasing order of cost. So the next on the list is this, the Camlin Click 0.9 mechanical pencil. This is this costed me 13 rupees and some paise. I bought it from a website called sastasundar.com. This pencil, 0.9 pencils are generally not available in the local shops because I have searched and I did not get. So there is quite an adventure related to this pencil, which I will share in the next video in detail. But for this video, I think I've pretty much explained everything about this. There is nothing more to share. So that's it for today's video. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be this pencil.